Welcome back to the vlog. Today is 9th of February.
Morning.
Good morning, dear. So,
I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down.
I am heading towards to new place, which is out of my league right now. I'll be back in my league. Currently, heading towards gym. Today is the joining day. This guy is doing gym for the past 1 month, 2 months, past 6 months to be fit. I'm trying to be fit. I'm going to join gym today. So let's see how it goes. Let's go towards the gym. हो सकता है ये मेरा जिम हो गया घर चलते हैं मेरा जिम हो गया लेट्स गो होम दादा चलो
Is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you?
So finally in gym, finished off all sort of normal workout for the first day. This guy is doing his workout. This is Shubham Shoot. These two guys are done. First day of gym. Same here, bro. This guy is done. So everybody is done. We'll be leaving right now. It's 12:30 in the afternoon. I'll go home and I'll take a bath and I'll do my editing for the 8th of November, 8th of September, 8th of February. Sorry bro. ये बहुत भाई ये 1st February से ऐसे ही चल रहा है. January, November, December. So I'll be doing the editing of the 8th of February, which I shot yesterday, which was their fight day. Their fight day and a proposed day. Bro, looking great. So we'll be heading towards home right now. Pretty much done for the day. Exhausted. This guy is also exhausted. Madam, exhausted.
चलता है
Bro, exhausted. Kind of. तेरे ये kind of नहीं जाएगा ना? So let's head towards home. हाँ? भाई बहुत है. भाई बहुत. So let's hope. Let's roll. भाई सब ले लिया तू? So this is our gym. Hardcore gym. Hardcore. So let's go home. Everybody is walking down. This gym is near Shur's house. He used to do. He's a gym instructor. तो gym instructor है ना?
under training.
Under training. He is under training for the gym instructor. So finally reached campus. Heading towards home. Gonna take bath. Have a good lunch. Then I think so I can take a nap.
I'm alone. I'm a broken home. I gave you.
Welcome back. Today is 10th of February. Yesterday pretty much done nothing. Came back from gym and finished. So this video is all about 2 videos together. Watch this one is back. Oh, choco. So heading towards gym. It's morning 7 o'clock. It's 10th of February. So let's go. So basically we are currently waiting for Disha. Disha, today you are late. 10th of February. Note down. Vlog जब देखेगी तब पता चलेगा तेरे को.
हो गया.
Yeah, bro.
कैसे मारेगा? ऐसे मारेगा ना, ऐसे ही मारेगा. छोटा रखा है.
happening no video. So currently in gym, working out. We both are resting. These guys are finishing off their last. Yeah. Starting with it.
It's the second day of our gym. And we both are like super grinding. Can't even talk.
Yeah, exactly. So currently those two guys are finishing off their last set and will be leaving back to home. Currently the gym session is over. Having a cup of tea and we'll be heading towards home. Once I reach home, I'll be doing my editing, taking some breakfast, having again a coffee, and then continue the day. Let's see what happens. I'm so tired. Because of gym effect, I'm not able to move this hand. Afternoon, I just came back, took a bath, took a lunch, then had a good nap. The vlog for 8th February is currently out, so check that out as well. Currently, it is end of the day, where I just want to give an update that I'm totally grinded like anything, like finished off. My both the arms, like I cannot fold. It's like swollen out here. It's like swollen out here as well. Gym effect. Yes, this video is all about 2 days together where I could not do anything. First day of my gym went like hell. Second day was grinded like anything. Do comment, like and subscribe to the videos and share this video with your family and friends. I'm just continuing my daily streak of putting videos. Keep me posted. Provide me some feedback in the comments, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Until then, stay safe. Be aware of all the situations around you and be happy. Keep smiling always, and it's paining, bro. Adios.